How to assemble an outdoor surface jack. Welcome to the TSOC Minute from Trans Global Systems of Canada. Quick and easy video tutorials using TSOC products. For high-quality tools, connectors, and cables, head over to www.tsoc.com. Let's get started. Materials required: TM605 ODM HGY, aluminum outdoor surface jack housing, gray. Accessories: TM607 4DIV, Jiffy Jack 4C with door, ivory. TM602 ODMK1WH, keystone insert for TM605 ODM HGY, white. TM314 8C6BL, high-density Cat6 RJ45 data keystone module, blue. TM314 FWH, F81 Cat V keystone module, white. Jiffy Jack. Step 1. Disassemble the TM605 ODM HGY by removing the two screws located under the cover. Note: the back partition of the housing contains a nut and rubber seal, which can be removed. These components create a compression fit on the wire being inserted. Step 2. Insert the recommended wire for your application. Push wire all the way in, leaving a couple inches to work with. Once wires are at desired length, tighten the nut so it compresses the rubber seal, creating a watertight fitting around the cable. Step 3. To attach the accessories, you have to use the two screws located under the cover. For the Jiffy Jack, align the holes corresponding the holes on the cover. Use the small screws to screw onto the cover. Step 4. To attach the keystone insert, repeat Step 3. Step 5. Once the keystone insert has been installed, you now can use any keystone that you would like to use. Note: install the TM602 ODMK1WH facing upwards, so the keystones will be in the correct position. Keystones only snap in one way. Step 6. Please see TSOC Minute on how to install a TM314 8C6BL and TM314 FWH, or any others that you are installing. Step 7. Once you have connected the desired keystone, assemble the jack back together by placing the cover on the main body, then using the two screws. It's now complete. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit www.tsoc.com.